Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Tombow VIP Club for January 2019 and I hope you enjoy it. This is my first time receiving this and I did want to get it, and I'm happy with what I got this month. I'm sorry this video is late. That was a little sheet showing everything that's in the box. And I'm speeding this up a little bit because it took forever to open the washi. So it's included, 3 washi tape are included. The first one is a rainbow confetti. The second one is geometric shapes, also in rainbow. And the third one is actual rainbow colored rainbows. And you'll see that one right here. The washi tape is really good quality. It's nice and sticky without being overly sticky. The next thing I'm bringing out is the glue tape. They're all the same. It's permanent adhesive. I do use this a lot in my card making, so that'll come in handy. And this is the 12 TwinTone Rainbow pens that came in. But first, let's look at the little cheat sheet about how to doodle and how to do faux calligraphy with using these twin tone markers. And there's a sample of what is on the card. So now let's open the pens. These are 12 brand new pen colors and it is rainbow. So I'm getting it open and I will be swatching them for you in just a little while. So I'm going to be writing it in my Hobonichi 2019 Techo Cousin, which is an A5 size. For this year, I'm putting all of my lettering, practicing, and things in my 2019 book. Don't mind the cover. It's been eaten by one of my dogs, but I still use it. It's still fine. All right, the first one is red, and it has 2 tips, a bullet tip and a fine tip. So I'll be swatching all 12 colors. First one is red. It's like a candy apple red. Second one is orange. I call these like really happy bright colors. Third one is yellow, typical sunshine sunflower yellow. Zoom in for a better look. Next is a light green and a regular green. Next is a aqua blue. Next is a teal blue. I really like the blue colors in here. Next is it's like a dusty blue. I like that one too. This one is a dark blue on the purplish side. Next is purple. I'm really happy with all the colors. Next is a pink, hot pink. They're super smooth. They write nicely. This is like a ballet pink, soft pink. And now I'm going to be using them to just write a little message to thank you all for watching this little video. I appreciate you watching, and I am still learning on how to make or edit these things. So I've learned how to fast forward so you don't have to wait so long. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of you.